Hello, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to turn on the collaboration post on Instagram. First, look at any post in your account and click on the three dot icon. On the allocation list is where you're supposed to find the collaboration button. If you can find it here, no worries, because I can teach you on how to enable it. Go back to your main profile and click on the three line icon on the top right. Then click settings and privacy. And now look for the help button. Just scroll down and there. Click report a problem. Then press report a problem without shaking. And then press then don't include, then continue. And then type I cannot find the collaboration post button on my Instagram. Please help me fix this. And then send. And then you just have to wait for a few days and the collaboration button should be enabled in your profile. Thank you. Please stay tuned for my next videos.